This video is going to look at performing basic mathematical calculations and rounding our answers to the correct accuracy. First, let's multiply 250 centimeters by 25 5/10 of a centimeter by 155 centimeters. We can easily multiply this using a calculator, and we get 988,125 cubic centimeters. However, we need to round our answer to the correct accuracy. When we multiply, our answer is going to have the same number of significant digits as the value we multiplied that had the fewest. This means we have to go through and figure out how many significant digits each of these numbers have. 250 centimeters only has 2 significant digits. The 0 is not significant because it is not specifically tagged as being significant. Our other two numbers both have 3 significant digits. Therefore, our answer should have 2 significant digits because the lowest number of significant digits we have is 2. This means our final answer should be 990,000 cubic centimeters. Our next problem requires us to add 1,500 newtons plus 375 newtons plus 75 5/10 newtons plus 15,500 newtons. Adding, we get 17,450 5/10 newtons. However, now we need to round to the correct accuracy. In order to do that, we need to see which place value the last significant digit for each of these numbers is located. We will then need to round our answer to the least precise place value. 1,500 newtons is precise to the nearest 100 newtons. 375 newtons is precise to the nearest 1 newton. 75 5/10 newtons is precise to the nearest tenth of a newton, and 15,500 newtons is precise to the nearest 100 newtons. Since two of our values are only precise to the nearest 100 newtons, our answer cannot be more precise than the least precise measurement, so we need to round to the nearest 100. This means our final answer should be 17,500 newtons. Our last example combines operations. We need to find 75.0 centimeters multiplied by 120 centimeters plus 82 5/10 centimeters multiplied by 95.0 centimeters. First, we will follow the order of operations and multiply 75 by 120. We end up with 9,000 square centimeters. Next, 82.5 centimeters multiplied by 95 centimeters is 7,837.5 square centimeters. Now, we need to round each of these values to the correct accuracy before we can add them together. To do this, we need to determine how many significant digits are in each of our original values. 75.0 centimeters has 3 significant digits, and 120 centimeters has 2 significant digits. Therefore, we need to round 9,000 square centimeters to 2 significant digits, making sure we tag the correct 0 as significant. 82.5 centimeters has 3 significant digits, as does 95.0 centimeters, so this product should be rounded to 3 significant digits. This gives us 7,840 square centimeters. Last, we need to add 9,000 square centimeters plus 7,840 square centimeters. This sum is 16,840 square centimeters. The last thing we need to do is make sure we round to the correct accuracy. Since 9,000 square centimeters has 2 significant digits, and the last significant digit is in the hundreds place, the precision is the nearest 100 square centimeters. 7,840 square centimeters is precise to the nearest 10 square centimeters. Since our answer cannot be more precise than either of these numbers added, our final answer can only be precise to the nearest 100 square centimeters, which means our final answer is 16,800 square centimeters. This concludes our video of performing calculations and rounding to the correct accuracy.